How to farm money in Terraria. So first is set up a safe mob farm somewhere near your base, a contained area where enemies can spawn freely but genuinely can't easily hit you back while you fight. Or you could also do something like this where there is lava on top and you'll just dig your way right through it. And here at the bottom of the pool of lava, just like that. Once you're here, you can add a wooden table or a workbench and put a water candle on top just like that so that you could increase the enemy spawn rate. So this is just basically what it should look like. So you can do this underground. So let's say you want to farm some Soul of Night, so you can basically go underground right here and set up that lava pit that we made. So you could set it up right here, or you could also use a weapon that goes through walls. So let's say Zenith, but of course this is an endgame weapon, so you could use other weapons that are available that can go through walls and just basically stay underground and wait for the enemies to come near you. And once it's all done, you could just go up and get all the drops and coins that you can get. And make sure to take everything you collect from each run and sell it directly to an NPC vendor in exchange for coins. You can also store your growing earnings in a piggy bank so it stays safe and organized instead of cluttering up your inventory space. And just a quick tip, if you've got a coin ring or any luck boosting accessories, equip them during your farming sessions. It will help you significantly. And that is how you basically farm money in Terraria.